This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, power liftgate. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.